The U.S. pig farming industry is a rapidly developing sector, characterized by large-scale operations, the use of modern and efficient production technologies, and the assurance of high meat yield and superior quality. Below, we will explore the key features of pig farming in the United States in detail. Large-scale industrial operations. In the U.S., many pig farms are capable of raising thousands, even tens of thousands of pigs, with highly automated operational processes. This large-scale farming model not only enhances production efficiency, but also optimizes resource use, thereby reducing the cost per unit of meat. Functional zoning. Pig farms are often divided into different functional areas to accommodate the various stages of pig development, including breeding, piglet rearing, fattening, and sanitation management. Zoning management helps effectively monitor pig development at each stage, ensuring proper living conditions and good health. Modern farming facilities. Pig farms utilize enclosed facilities equipped with air conditioning, ventilation, and lighting systems to provide optimal living environments for the pigs. These modern facilities not only improve production efficiency, but also enhance the pig's development quality, leading to better overall meat quality. Automated farming equipment. Many farms have adopted advanced automated equipment for feeding, watering, and sanitation, significantly increasing farming efficiency. The use of these systems reduces the need for manual labor, minimizes occupational risks, and ensures precision in feeding and care. Nutritionally balanced feed. The U.S. pig farming industry provides nutritionally rich feed, often composed of grains, plant-based proteins, and animal byproducts, along with essential vitamins and minerals. This scientifically formulated feed not only meets the pig's growth needs, but also enhances the tenderness and flavor of the meat. Health management systems. Pig health is closely monitored using strict protocols. Farms implement various preventive measures, including routine vaccinations and health checks, to ensure the pigs remain healthy. Effective health management not only prevents disease outbreaks, but also helps maintain consistent productivity and efficiency. Breed management practices. The U.S. employs strict breeding management systems, utilizing modern technologies such as artificial insemination to ensure high meat quality and rapid growth rates. Breeding strategies that combine high-quality sows and boars improve reproductive efficiency and optimize the genetic quality of pig breeds. Specialized care areas. Farms establish dedicated zones for sows and piglets to ensure thorough care from birth. This specialized management increases piglet survival rates and promotes their healthy development. Focus on animal welfare. An increasing number of farms are prioritizing pig well-being, implementing stress-reducing measures, and promoting better overall health. Good animal welfare not only meets ethical standards, but also enhances meat production efficiency and product quality. Waste management. Manure disposal is handled using modern techniques to avoid negative environmental impact. Many farms use anaerobic digestion technology to convert pig waste into biogas and organic fertilizer, creating a sustainable resource recycling cycle. Compliance with legal regulations. The U.S. swine industry must comply with numerous federal and state regulations to ensure food safety, animal welfare, and environmental protection. Only within the framework of legal compliance can the industry ensure sustainable development. Meat Quality Inspection System. All pork must undergo rigorous quality inspections before reaching the market to ensure it meets relevant standards. This strict quality control process not only protects consumer health, but also enhances brand credibility. Efficient management and technology integration. The U.S. swine industry combines modern technology with strict management practices to ensure production efficiency and sustainable growth. The use of data analytics and smart technology allows farms to monitor production processes in real time, enabling precise management. Health monitoring systems. Many farms use sensor technology to monitor pigs' health and activity in real time, allowing for early detection of issues. This smart monitoring system helps identify health risks early, thereby increasing pig survival rates. Systematic data management. Through advanced computer systems, farms can efficiently manage nutritional and health information for each pig, optimizing the farming process. The integration and analysis of data help producers develop more scientific breeding strategies. Use of renewable energy. Many swine farms have started using solar power and biogas generated from pig manure, contributing to reduced energy consumption and environmental pollution. The use of renewable energy not only brings economic benefits, but also demonstrates the industry's environmental responsibility. Resource recycling. Pig manure can be converted into organic fertilizer or biogas, providing a valuable energy source for farms. This circular economy model enhances resource efficiency while reducing environmental burdens. Comprehensive traceability mechanism. The U.S. swine industry has established a strict traceability system, with each pig assigned a unique identification code, allowing easy tracking of product origin and quality. This traceability measure improves consumer trust and product safety. Food safety control. Pork must undergo strict safety checks before entering the market to ensure it is free from drug residues or harmful substances. These measures ensure food safety for consumers and meet international standards. Growing organic farming practices. With increasing consumer interest in health, more farms are transitioning to organic pig farming, avoiding antibiotics and hormones. Organic farming not only meets market demands, but also promotes the trend of healthy food consumption. Rising meat quality standards. Consumers are paying more attention to pork quality, particularly its tenderness and texture, which encourages farms to invest in high-quality pig breeds. Premium pork typically commands higher market value, leading to greater profits. Challenge of maintaining competitiveness. Despite rapid growth, production costs remain high due to advanced technology and strict safety standards. This forces farms to continuously innovate to maintain a competitive edge. Market fluctuations. Pork prices are influenced by many factors, such as feed costs, energy prices, and export conditions, requiring farms to have flexible response strategies. Market research and forecasting play a crucial role in adjusting production plans. Position in the international market. The United States is one of the largest pork exporters in the world, with key markets including China, Mexico, and Japan. Trade relationships with other countries influence export strategies and production regulations. Compliance with international standards. To meet export requirements, farms and processing plants must strictly adhere to the quality and food safety regulations of importing countries. This compliance is not only a prerequisite for trade, but also a key factor in maintaining consumer trust. Disease prevention strategies. Diseases such as foot and mouth disease and African swine fever pose serious threats to the industry. Farms implement strict monitoring and vaccination to ensure pig health. Effective disease control directly impacts the stability and sustainability of the supply chain. Emergency response to outbreaks. In the event of an outbreak, farms and regulatory agencies quickly activate emergency measures to contain the spread. Timely responses help minimize economic losses and public health risks. Integration of research and breeding. Research institutions and livestock companies collaborate, using genetic technologies to develop new pig breeds with improved disease resistance. This innovation-based development strategy enhances the industry's competitiveness. Advanced reproductive techniques. Artificial insemination is a vital tool in modern pig farming, improving reproductive efficiency and preserving superior genes. This technology shortens reproduction cycles and increases the spread of desirable traits. Environmental management demands. Despite various environmental protection measures, the pig farming industry still faces challenges related to environmental impact and must continue seeking new solutions to reduce pollution. Sustainable development is increasingly prioritized. Rapid market adaptation. With pork prices fluctuating significantly, the industry must be able to adapt quickly to market changes. This requires constant optimization and innovation in supply chain management. Intense international competition. The U.S. pig farming industry faces competition from countries like Brazil and several Asian nations, necessitating improvements in technology and management. Adapting to global market changes is essential for business survival. The rise of organic farming. More farms are transitioning to organic pig farming, using antibiotic-free and chemical-free methods to meet market demand. As consumer health awareness grows, the organic food market is thriving. Consumer preference for organic products. Due to their health benefits and high quality, organic pork products are increasingly favored by consumers. Although production costs are higher, these products yield significant profits, driving a green transformation in agriculture. Farmer training and capacity building. Farmers regularly attend training courses to learn modern farming techniques and animal health management, enhancing their practical skills. This continuous education improves the overall expertise of the industry. Technological cooperation and innovation. Large farms work closely with research institutes, adopting advanced technologies and efficient management methods. The implementation of innovative technologies promotes industry upgrades and increases production efficiency. Food Safety Management Standards. HACCP is a system for controlling potential risks during pig slaughtering, ensuring oversight at every critical point. This management model comprehensively enhances food safety levels. Detailed record keeping and management. All information related to quality inspections and controls is meticulously documented, allowing for easy retrieval at any time. A comprehensive record-keeping system strengthens transparency and accountability in management. Traceability system implementation. From the moment pigs enter the farm to the final product, all information is recorded to ensure full traceability. This is crucial for enhancing consumer trust and corporate reputation. Barcode technology application. After packaging is complete, pork products are labeled with barcodes or QR codes, allowing consumers easy access to related information. This technology greatly increases product transparency and distribution efficiency. Internal quality control. Farms must conduct regular internal inspections to ensure operational compliance and adherence to food safety standards. This practice ensures the safety and reliability of all production processes. External supervision mechanisms. In addition to internal audits, plants are also inspected by the USDA and health authorities to ensure legal compliance. This supervisory system fosters a healthy development environment for the industry. Customer feedback collection. Farms should actively gather feedback from the market and consumers to improve products and production processes. This feedback mechanism is a vital driver for continuous business improvement. Continuous improvement. Based on feedback, farms constantly refine slaughtering, preservation, and packaging processes to enhance product quality and customer satisfaction. Implementing optimization strategies provides a greater competitive edge in the market. Resource conservation and efficiency. Modern farms adopt energy and water-saving solutions to reduce resource consumption. This not only lowers costs, but also fulfills social responsibility for sustainable development. Finally, don't forget to like, share, and follow to stay updated with future content.